Hi, I'm attorney Jonathan Paul, and today we're going to talk about being charged with a crime in Washtenaw County. What I've done over the years is I've created a program where we're going to lead with empathy. So I'm going to walk you through a little bit about Washtenaw County. So here we have the circuit court judges, the 22nd Circuit Court. This court would handle all felonies. A felony would start with the district court level, but ultimately one of these 5 judges would be handling your case. That would be for a felony. Here we have the district court judges. The way the county is set up is it is a 14A district court located in Chelsea, Saline, Pittsfield, and City of Ypsilanti. There's currently 3 judges that cover those courts. The 14B court is Ypsilanti Township, and the 15th District Court is all of Ann Arbor. So if you're charged with a misdemeanor in these courts, these could be the potential courts, the judges. A lot of times a client reaches out to me and they say, oh, I was pulled over in, say, Ann Arbor, where it's actually, Saline or Pittsfield Township, or I was stopped in a Meijer store in Ann Arbor. That store is probably going to actually be in Ypsilanti or in Pittsfield Township. So depending upon where your case happens, we'll kind of figure out what court you're in, what potential prosecutor and judge you have. My office is in Ann Arbor, but I handle cases in all these courts with all these judges. Graduated from the University of Michigan Law School. I live in Ann Arbor with my family. So I'd say most of my cases are actually helping people in Washtenaw County. So I'm definitely looking forward to providing you some knowledge and insight of my experiences. But let's kind of get into what a competitive advantage is for Washtenaw County. When a client reaches out to me, they like to tell me their version of the case. And a lot of times clients will not tell me all the information or want to appear most favorable, not realizing that the best thing to do is actually share all of the information. So what I do is I typically ask for paperwork from the court or the police department, and to tell me, okay, this is your version, but what would be the version of the police and the prosecutor? If they were to tell the story from their perspective, what information would be important? A criminal case in Washtenaw County is going to be based upon the police report. It's the 4 corners of the report. When the case starts off, you're a name and a charge, and that's all you are. And there's a big stack of those files in a prosecutor's office and in a courthouse. And let's imagine that we're at, Costco or some big store, and there's all these different products out there, and a prosecutor and the judge are shopping, and they need to decide, okay, what item am I going to put my attention towards? What am I going to buy? What do I believe in? And that's what going to court's like. You're a product, you're a service, you're trying to stand out amongst the crowd. And being loud isn't a solution. What is a solution is telling your story, to write chapters 2, 3, and 4, to have a strategy and a competitive advantage, to earn the compassion and the understanding of a judge in Washtenaw County and a prosecutor, to lead with empathy, to recognize that you are a human with faults, a crime may have been committed, but you're not a criminal. As a former prosecutor myself, I used to view all cases as, this person broke the law is on the books, this person is therefore a criminal. Technically, yes, you did break the law, but it doesn't mean you're a criminal, right? You didn't go into that moment in time intending to break the law. Something mentally, emotionally, physically, there was something in your life that led you to this detour that put you on the wrong side of the law. To gain a better understanding of how you ended up there is how we lead with empathy. How we get a judge and a prosecutor to focus on us, to be out there shopping in this big store with all these options, and to actually put their resources and attention towards your case in a really good way. I like my clients stand out because they're working hard and they're writing the next chapters in their case. I've had clients go to court in Washtenaw County completely guilty, completely broke the law, willing to say, yes, I did that. But their result is phenomenal because they made an isolated incident that did not represent who they are as a person. It's not who they were in the past. It's not who they're going to be in the future. And in the present, they're doing things to demonstrate that. That's what a growth mindset is. A fixed mindset in Washtenaw County would mean that you're stuck with the police report. You're stuck fighting over things in that report. A fixed mindset means that you can't turn this case into a positive thing for your life. A growth mindset means we learn from our actions, we learn from our circumstances, and we come out better. My clients in Washtenaw County go through their case, gain insight, gain knowledge. They come out better family members, members of society, employees, entrepreneurs. They rediscover who they are as a person. We only get to live one life. If we're charged with a crime in Washtenaw County, we want to make the best of it. We want to leave the case saying this happened for a reason. I know why it happened now, and here are the adjustments I've made in my life. This means saying yes to a proactive program. This means saying, yes, I'm willing to work hard and earn that great result. Clients in Washtenaw County that I've had in the past have set a really high bar. Judges and prosecutors expect my clients to achieve those same results. If you have a case in Washtenaw County, I'm going to walk you through some of the things we're going to do. It may not be for you. You may be okay with a fixed mindset, but if you want to take that growth mindset and you want to put actions into place, not only words, that's what being proactive means. If you can hit that same high bar as my clients have in the past, you will earn that competitive advantage in Washtenaw County. Lead with empathy, adopt a growth mindset, say yes to a proactive program. I look forward to helping you.